Talking time. Master time expressions in your daily routines. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of time expressions and how to use them when describing our daily habits. Time expressions are incredibly handy when it comes to discussing our routines, habits, and hobbies, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to use them with confidence. So, let's get started. Time expressions are phrases or words that give us information about when something happens. They are crucial in any language, and English is no different. We use time expressions to specify the frequency, duration, or timing of an activity or habit. Common examples include words and phrases like daily, every week, sometimes, rarely, in the morning, and at night. Now let's talk about frequency time expressions. These are expressions that tell us how often something happens. Common frequency time expressions include always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom, and never. Here's how you can use them. I always go for a run in the morning. She usually reads before bedtime. We often go to the cinema on weekends. Duration time expressions help us express how long something lasts or how long someone does something. Some of these include for, since, all day, and the whole week. Let's see them in use. I studied for 2 hours last night. She has been painting all day. We've known each other since high school. Now, let's move on to specific time expressions. These refer to exact points in time or periods of the day, such as in the morning, at night, during the afternoon, on Sundays. Here's how you might use them. I take my dog for a walk in the morning. She likes to meditate at night before sleep. We enjoy family meals together on Sundays. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to using time expressions to describe your daily routines, habits, and hobbies. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using these time expressions in your daily conversations and see how they bring more clarity and precision to your language. As always, keep learning and stay tuned for our next video. Happy learning, everyone!